Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that will capture all your crazy driving moments. On the left side we have the ROVE R2-4K dash cam, and on the right side we have the OMBAR dash cam. Get ready for some high-speed comparisons. Let's start with the most important feature of a dash cam, the video quality. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam boasts 4K Ultra HD recording, capturing every detail with its Sony IMX335 sensor and f1.5 aperture. It's like having a Hollywood camera crew in your car. On the other hand, the OMBAR dash cam also offers impressive video quality with its front UHD 4K resolution and wide-angle lens. You'll be able to read license plates and road signs with ease. Now let's talk about connectivity. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes with built-in Wi-Fi 6 and a dedicated app for iOS and Android devices. You can easily download and share your recorded videos with friends and family. It's like having a personal social media manager for your car. On the other side, the OMBAR dash cam also offers built-in Wi-Fi and a user-friendly app called Cam. You can control the dash cam, view, download, and share videos effortlessly. It's like having a personal assistant for your driving adventures. Moving on to additional features, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam is packed with state-of-the-art technology. It has a built-in supercapacitor motion detection, emergency video lock, and supports up to 512 GB micro SD cards. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of dash cams. Meanwhile, the OMBAR dash cam also offers essential features like loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and a reliable witness for accidents. It's like having a silent superhero protecting you on the road. According to Amazon reviews, customers have praised the ROVE R2-4K dash cam for its wide range of video resolutions, easy setup, and competitive pricing. They also appreciate the OMBAR dash cam for its excellent video quality, ease of installation, and useful features such as night vision and collision detection. And that's a wrap, folks. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam and the OMBAR dash cam have battled it out, but there can only be one winner. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam takes the crown with its superior video quality, advanced features, and GPS capabilities. But hey, it's all about personal preference, so choose the one that suits your needs best. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.